how to share thread posts to Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'll show you how to share your thread post directly to Instagram so you can reach more people. So, first things first, open up a Threads app, make sure that you're logged in into your account, and then uh, you need to go to your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and then you can see the arrow like option. Just tap on it, and here you can see share to Instagram message, Instagram story, Instagram reels, and more, and even your Instagram post. So you can just tap on what you want to share to, and then that's it. It's as simple as that to share your threads to your Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Thank you for watching.